Bonjour, today on Travelling Fabulously, I'm here at the Chocolate Museum. As promised from my Grand Boulevards video, I'm checking out the Chocolate Museum. Come on, let's see how much chocolate we can have. You know what I say, whatever you do it fabulously. So why don't you come and join me on this week's episode of Travelling Fabulously. Behind me is a chocolate Eiffel Tower, and in front of me, chocolate Arc de Triomphe, which I just coughed all over. So today's episode of Travelling Fabulously, we're at the Chocolate Museum, located on the Grand Boulevard. For kids of all ages, it's a fabulous place to come. Who wouldn't want delicious chocolate? So come on, let's explore the Chocolate Museum of Paris. For Fashion Week, couldn't even get a chocolate outfit, although I've got a fear it might melt and then I'd be walking around the street with nothing on. Not good. You can do demonstrations.
Where we get dark chocolate, deep chocolate, and white chocolate. So to make dark chocolate, we need cocoa butter, to make deep chocolate, add 2 powders to make different temperatures, and to make white chocolate, we use similar temperatures, whole white, and we can put the cocoa butter.
And you can go and do chocolate making workshops and make your own chocolate like I did.
So now I have a lot of decorations. We have some light ones like the Rice Krispies, coconuts. Then don't try to fill it like this. Go a little bit more flat, then you have more control over the chocolate, how much will flow in. And then you go, you press, and go right, left, right, left, right, left, press up.
You go, I'm going to say those.
That's fine.
On the ground floor is the entrance, and it's full of a whole lot of interesting facts on where chocolate comes from. From its Aztec origins, all the way to how it's manufactured and processed here in Europe. Up on the first floor, there's a whole selection of utensils for chocolate, which is really fascinating. Everything from how chocolate's made to the frippery that goes with it. So who'd have thought there was cups and saucers and things specifically just for hot chocolate? I suppose there should be, why not? And down in the basement level is where you'll find the Arc de Triomphe of chocolate and the Eiffel Tower of chocolate, as well as the fashion ladies. So there's a whole lot of chocolate sculptures. Entrance to the museum is just $10, but you can pay extra to do the workshops. So here we go through the process of what is chocolate, or what's inside of chocolate, that is. So for dark chocolate, there's cocoa butter, sugar, aromas and flavours, and 67% of cocoa paste. For milk chocolate, we've got 20% powdered milk, 45% sugar, 24.5% cocoa butter, 10% cocoa paste, and then a whole lot of other stuff. Lycian. What's Lycian? And some flavours, aromas. And for white chocolate, it's 45% sugar, 29.5% cocoa butter, flavours and aromas, and 25% powdered milk. Scattered throughout the museum is self-serve chocolate dispensers. These are the bonbonneries. As their name implies, they're small boxes that appeared during the 18th century and were used for keeping sweets in. Their golden age was the 19th century, when everyone wanted a bonbon-berie. I want a bonbon-berie. I want. Who'd have thought that you could have so many selections of chocolate jugs and chocolate cups? Time for me to go. I've got to go upstairs and check out the shop. I need to buy some things. Yep, I need to buy some chocolate. Well, I don't need to. I want to. I want to buy chocolate, but that means I need to. That's it for this week's episode of Travelling Fabulously, the Chocolate Museum. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this episode, press the like button. Subscribe for more videos by hitting the bell notification. That way you'll get an email every time I release a new video. And remember, as I say, share me around. I love to be shared around, especially when it's to do with chocolate. I'll put links in the description on how you can do the chocolate classes and see the demonstrations and explore the Chocolate Museum. I'm just around the corner though, so maybe you should invite me to come with you. And remember, as I say, whatever you do it fabulously. So come and join me on Travelling Fabulously. See you next episode. You know what I say, whatever you do it fabulously. So why not join me on Travelling Fabulously?